Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
No other agent can serve you better now.
Hi, I'm Rich Testa.
And I'm Rob Testa.
We are Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Welcome to 317 Garnsey Road, a hilltop estate in Pittsford.
This is a spectacular Frank Lloyd Wright-inspired dream home with skyline views. So let's take a tour. This spacious foyer sets the tone for this spectacular one-level home featuring crown molding, slate tile floors, and a double door with skyline views, which lead to an impressive great room with living and dining areas, a wood beam cathedral ceiling, a wall of windows, and a beautiful fireplace wall with custom built-ins and stained glass.
Entertain in luxury with this designer kitchen featuring custom benchmark cabinetry, quartz countertops, and high-end stainless steel appliances. Open to a stone fireplace living and dining area with a wall of windows, all with cathedral ceilings, beautiful hardwood floors, and patio access.
This amazing master suite has it all, with a stunning spa bathroom, including a jacuzzi tub, dual sink vanity, and a steam shower, all with a custom walk-in closet and patio access with those scenic nature views. This home also features a separate bedroom wing with 4 additional bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, a first floor laundry, and an impressive study with cherry built-ins plus a finished lower level. This rare property has a premium town of Perrington location with Pittsford schools and mailing with low-cost Fairport Electric.
This resort-style backyard features beautiful landscaping, an in-ground pool, even a lighted sport court.
Enjoy over 2.5 beautifully landscaped acres, plus a separate 1.2 acre lot for potential development, a total of nearly 4 acres. All just steps away from Crescent Trail for the nature enthusiast.
You can have it all in this Pittsford dream home.
Here we are in Schoen Place in the village of Pittsford.
This charming community offers great restaurants, shops, and is located on the historic Erie Canal. Could you imagine living here? It would be amazing! Well, I hope you enjoyed the tour of 317 Garnsey Road in Pittsford.
This is one of the many special properties offered by Rich Testa Real Estate, the premier home and waterfront specialist worldwide.
Cheers to living here!